Ever wish you could skip the tedious tasks and focus on what really matters for your online store? Enter Doba, your personal inventory fairy, here to lighten your load and elevate your dropshipping game. Forget the endless hunt for reliable suppliers. With Doba, you gain access to a curated selection of trustworthy partners, all under one roof. No more dodgy websites or shady dealings. Just quality products sourced right here in the good old USA. Plus, with domestic suppliers, you can kiss those long shipping times goodbye and keep your customers coming back for more. Here's the deal. You make the sale, and Doba takes care of the rest. No more packing boxes or rushing to the post office. Our suppliers handle the shipping directly to your customer's doorstep. It's like having a magical fairy fulfill your orders while you sit back and watch your business thrive. But Doba is more than just a platform. It's a community. Our team is here to support you every step of the way, whether you need advice, assistance, or just a sprinkle of encouragement. Consider us your partners in success, dedicated to helping you reach your dropshipping goals. Ready to simplify your dropshipping journey? Head to Doba.com today and let the magic begin.